it's Hannah with WTI. If you're anything like me and are really forgetful about candles, this candle warmer from WOLDFY is going to solve all of your problems.
I have a lot of pets in my house, and so I'm always really nervous to be burning a candle because A, I can't remember to blow them out, and B, I don't want my pets to knock them over and light anything on fire. So this is absolutely perfect. Not only does it have a timer, but it also has adjustable brightness and adjustable height. So no matter what size your candle is, you're able to adjust the lamp warmer to the height that you want it at. I love that it has the on setting or the 2, 4, or 6 hour timer. It is just so pretty as well. I love this black on the exterior, and on the inside, it's gold. I think it is absolutely gorgeous and it works so well. I couldn't recommend it more.
Enjoy your candles longer, make your house smell amazing, and don't worry about forgetting to blow them out. With this candle warmer, I love it, and that's my point of view.